Hi, my name is David Shapiro. I'm a San Diego-based criminal defense attorney, and today I want to discuss with you how to beat a DUI case. And this applies whether you are dealing with a misdemeanor all the way to DUI murder, which in California can be charged with second-degree murder, facing 15 years to life in state prison. A lot of times people get pulled over for suspicion of a DUI or for just generally a traffic infraction, and what they say and what they do turns what would be a traffic ticket into a DUI. What do I mean by that? Okay, so you get pulled over and the cops start asking you where you coming from, where you going, what did you have to drink, what time's your first drink, what time was your last drink, all those types of questions. You are under no obligation to answer any of those questions. You get pulled over, license, registration. That's it. That's it. Every single day we see people come in and they're charged with a DUI, contact our office for a DUI, and there's field sobriety tests that were done when they're not obligated to do that. There's statements given to what we refer to as the intoxication interrogation questions that the cops will ask you. And you're under no obligation to give those answers. You're under no obligation to give law enforcement additional evidence against you. So if you get pulled over for a DUI and the cop wants to know where you're coming from, where you're going, you're under no obligation to answer that question. Don't lie. Don't, go on this whole monologue about how you have a clean driving record and all that stuff. Just politely decline to answer any questions. And then it should not morph from a traffic stop into a DUI investigation for your basic run-of-the-mill pullover, at 10, 11 o'clock at night, 2 in the morning, or whatever the case may be. A lot of times what our clients and what potential clients wind up saying and doing that they're not obligated to winds up turning that traffic stop into a DUI arrest and ultimate conviction. Another thing that we see quite frequently is if there's an accident involved and if you leave the scene, which in and of itself is a crime, but then when you're asked questions about, well, were you drinking in between the time of the accident and the time you came back to the scene or until the cops came and got you? Again, don't lie. We're not advocating that anybody lie or be dishonest to anybody. But you're under no obligation to answer that question. Let the district attorney or let the city attorney prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you were not drinking during that time, so it couldn't have affected your blood alcohol content. We always want to leave as many options open to your defense, but we at the same time we can only really work with what we have. And a lot of times, clients not knowing their rights, it gets them in a bigger problem than what their underlying driving or their underlying collision may have been in the first place. So, know your rights, stay informed, understand that you're under no obligation to give law enforcement or the district attorney enough evidence to do their job and get their convictions, and feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Whee!